This video is about a full-time remote opportunity as a virtual assistant. And as a virtual assistant, you will be responsible for certain roles and responsibilities. And also the company's name is BBE. Here, the company is working with like entertainment industry, and so yes, here is the company's website. The company basically works with celebrities and other business people. So they basically connect businesses and celebrities with each other, and they provide like virtual managers or virtual assistants. And as a virtual assistant, your qualification you should be and here are some of the requirements that they are looking for. So first thing, like excellent time management skills, very strong attention to detail, then solid organizational skills, strong communication skills, strong writing abilities, ability to work effectively within a team, strong work ethic, then need to be available to respond to inquiries outside of hours, courage to give honest feedback and also take honest feedback, and then take ownership and come up with ideas to improve our company, take time to learn about our industry, customers, and our partners. So these are all like simple requirements that anyone can like fit in this qualification. So there is nothing like they're asking for some sort of like relevant experience or relevant they don't have any kind of like relevant or industry background, or you're not required to have that. No matter from where you belong or what is your industry background, you can still apply to this particular job as a virtual assistant. So as a virtual assistant, you will be required to be very organized and will be responsible for a range of tasks and also reminding me of different things to do. So they are basically the person has to take care of it's like his or her clients, some of the tasks that they need to do, or like their timings, and also like they need to like organize certain things. The person needs to be available to work from 8 a.m. PST time to 6 p.m. PST time and be available to work some weekends. This job may require you to work 50 plus hours in a week depending on deadlines and projects. And this is a full-time position. So you need to take care of that thing. Like if you are ready to work on this like time, so this is a very good like full-time remote opportunity that you can handle from anywhere, because they are saying that they are looking for applicants worldwide. So here are the tasks, some of the tasks that you can expect as a virtual assistant to do. So these are some very simple tasks that they're asking you to like scheduling meetings for your clients, and then managing time off for employees, helping to onboard new employees, and then schedule and book flights for your clients, and then research contact information, take meeting notes, creating reports, help manage online marketing campaigns, then helping in managing online projects and contractors, able to make calls when needed, then manage my calendar, prioritize the tasks and meetings that are most important for the team, and then helping to communicate to team, prioritize tasks and monthly goals, then upload blog posts, answer customer service emails, and then help manage resumes and store resumes for later, and then schedule interviews. So these are very simple tasks that you will be required to do as a virtual assistant, like all sort of like different administrative kind of role that you can do very easily, that you can handle very easily in your like um, during the day. And so yeah, I think you should try this job. Check out the role and check out the company detail before you apply. And the company offers remote opportunities, so this is not a big deal for you. And as long as it is a full-time opportunity, this could be a good thing for you. For anyone who is interested to have to work from home or anywhere. So yeah, I think go ahead and apply. Thank you for listening.